Welcome to today's video, where we're exploring the incredible world of mountains. Mountains are some of Earth's most stunning natural formations, reaching high into the sky and offering breathtaking views. But there's more to them than just beauty. Our mountains play a vital role in shaping our world. Mountains form over millions of years, primarily through tectonic forces. When tectonic plates collide, they push the land upwards, creating towering peaks. Some mountains, like the Himalayas, which contain Mount Everest, are still growing today as tectonic activity continues. There are different types of mountains, each formed in unique ways. Fold mountains, like the Rockies and the Andes, are created by plates colliding and causing the Earth's crust to fold. Fault block mountains, like the Sierra Nevada, form when faults in the Earth's crust force some areas up while others drop. And volcanic mountains, such as Mount Fuji, form from volcanic eruptions building up layers of lava over time. Mountains are essential for our planet's biodiversity. They host a wide variety of ecosystems, from dense forests at lower elevations to alpine meadows and barren, icy peaks at the top. These ecosystems provide habitats for countless species of plants and animals, some of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Many mountain regions are also vital for fresh water. Snow and ice from mountain peaks gradually melt and supply rivers and lakes, providing fresh water to billions of people. The weather in mountain regions can be extreme. Temperatures drop with altitude, and weather conditions can change rapidly. In fact, high-altitude areas experience intense conditions that have shaped the unique adaptations of the plants and animals that live there. Mountains aren't just important for nature, they're also central to human culture. Many cultures and religions view mountains as sacred places, symbols of strength, or sites for worship. They attract climbers, hikers, and nature enthusiasts from all over the world, offering a chance to connect with nature and test their limits. Famous peaks like Mount Everest, Kilimanjaro, and the Matterhorn challenge people both physically and mentally. Unfortunately, mountains are vulnerable to climate change. Rising temperatures cause glaciers to melt faster, affecting water supplies and threatening habitats. Efforts to preserve these areas are vital, not just for their beauty but for the ecosystems and resources they provide. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey to the mountains, be sure to like and subscribe for more insights into our natural world.